had no idea at the time that we were going to do such a massive retrofit on the entire house. But the first step that Nick took was to get in touch with the company in Manchester.
Yes, so People Powered Retrofit. We had a design and some things we really had decided we wanted to do. And the people at People Powered Retrofit recommended DK Building as a company they'd worked with in the past and were, doing more and more in the kind of eco retrofit area. And yeah, so at that point we got in touch with Daniel and asked him to come and quote for the work.
We lived in the house throughout the entire build, which I think was the right decision, but was also insanity at the same time. We decided, I don't know, was it naivety? Yes, I think it was naivety that made us stay in the house. We talked to Daniel about it, and it would not have worked if we hadn't had such a good relationship with the builders. So yeah, it was tough, but DK Building, Daniel in particular, and the relationship we had with them made it work. Daniel and the team from DK Building have been fantastic throughout. They've been professional, they've been kind, they've been understanding, they've worked with us and not done to us. So we've discussed things. If we've had input in all the decisions, and they've considered us and our lives before deciding what to work on, what to do next, and how to progress the project. And that's not just Daniel and not just the senior team in DK Building, it's everybody. It's all of the builders. I mean, we had some builders who worked on a lot of this project, like Wes, for example, who's just amazing. He's kind, he's wonderful, he's competent, and he wants to do the best possible job. And our house has benefited because of his attention to detail.